using multiple keyword arguments. Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we will discuss the keyword arguments for the Python functions. You can send arguments with the key equals value, shape or syntax, and this way the order of the arguments doesn't matter. Let me show you that in an example, using multiple arguments for 3 different names. Here we have a function, and it is called new names. This is the name of our function, and it has 3 arguments or parameters inside the parentheses of this function, after the function name directly, and we separated them using comma. The first argument is called name1, the second one is called name2, and the third one is called name3. Now it's time to complete the new names function body. Let's do that. This is the structure of our function. We use the print function to print the first name is plus the value of name1. The value of the name1 will be passed into the new names function in that place. After that, another print function to print the second name is string plus the name2 value. Then the last print function is used to print the last name is plus the value of the name3. Now it's time for the function calling. Let's put values for all the arguments with the key equals value, shape or syntax. Here we call the new names function. It's very simple, as you can see. The key for the first argument is name1 and its value is equal to Ronaldo string. Then the second key, which is name2, is equal to John string. And the last key is called name3 and it is equal to the Fred value or string. So the output we got is the first name is Ronaldo. This is for the first key value pair. Then the second name is John. This is for the second key value pair also. And the last one is the last name is Fred. When we call the new names function, all the values were passed to their positions inside the function called new names. That's it, simply. Try to do this by yourself. And if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.